So we have just arrived at Agra Fort after riding a second-class train, and it's chaotic here. And we're gonna get a tuk-tuk from this man, who's gonna take us to our hotel. We gotta keep up with our man. All right. Should we hop in? They keep ramming it. I'll get him first. Go on. They keep hitting this guy's tuk-tuk. Plan is, after that train ride, we're gonna spend the afternoon regrouping, get some laundry done, get some food, and then tomorrow we're gonna see the Taj Mahal at sunrise. Taj Mahal time, Taj Mahal time, Taj Mahal time. It's 5 a.m. and we are out the door. Here in India, let's turn off these lights. So in India, they use this type of lock. And the hotel usually gives you a padlock, but I bring my own. And as long as no one else has the code, no one can get in. All right, we're locked into our hotel. Hello? We need to get out the gate. The gate. Alright, slight delay. We can't escape, so hopefully he'll come open it right away. We had to wake him up. There he goes. We are free. All right, so we're going back because I have a 1-foot tripod that they're saying is not allowed. So we gotta go dump that back at the hotel. Do not make direct eye contact with the monkeys. Okay, we are in. It's 5:30, so a half hour after leaving the room. We bought our tickets in the ticket line, only a handful of people. And went through security, and we have not seen it yet, but we are in. We are in the grounds. One of the most iconic structures in the world. And I'm going to be putting my eyes on it for the first time in a few seconds as we go through the gate. And there it is. It looks impressive from here. Yeah, it's impressive. Very impressive. Like most things, getting here early is the way to go. It's, I mean, it's pretty much empty. Handful of people. Very chill vibe. The weather, it's nice and cool. I'm sure it's gonna be crazy hot later. It's worth it to get up early. Not that I wouldn't be up early anyway. One benefit of getting here early is the lighting is awesome. And there was a guy who takes your phone and does some photos for you. And he had the whole place mapped out. I tipped him as like the equivalent of $5, but got some nice memories. I have a picture of me and Donovan together. How exciting is that? We're about to head inside. And it's a great view. Do it right now. We're just on the inside. You're not allowed to take any photographs or video. And it's ridiculous. The inlay work and the carving, it's so elaborate. It's hard to even wrap your head around it, what the amount of effort it would take to do this. It's very, very beautiful. Well, there you have it, the Taj Mahal. And it's exactly what I expected. And with that said, my expectations were high. It was cool. We almost didn't come because of all the 1-star reviews in Google. But we decided to take our chances. So let's head on out and go see what the rest of Agra has to offer. I'm sure there's more to do here than just the Taj.